In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage budgets and billings in Wrike. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go to update client budgets and how to make sure all of your billing details are accurate and consistent. Let's start from your Wrike workspace. First, open your client contact list. This is your central hub for all client-related information, so it's the best place to manage both budgets and billing details. Make sure you're in the correct space or folder where your client records are stored so that what you update actually matches your live data. Within the client contact list, look for the section or folder labeled Leads and Opportunities and click it. This view usually contains your potential and active clients, along with key commercial information such as estimated budgets and statuses. It's a great place to keep an eye on upcoming revenue and pipeline. Now, in that table view, click on the client name you want to work with. This opens or highlights that specific record so you can adjust details for that client only. Take a quick moment to confirm you're on the right client before editing anything. Next, locate the column labeled Estimated Budget. Click into that field for your selected client. Here you can enter or adjust the expected budget for that opportunity or client. If you click it again, you can make sure the value is correct, formatted the same way as your other entries, and aligned with what's been agreed with the client. Keeping this consistent helps with reporting later. Once your budget is set, switch over to the Clients section if it's separate from Leads. Click on the Clients area to access the full client record, including billing and mailing information. This is where you ensure invoices go to the right place. In the Client table, click on the Status field. This is useful to confirm whether the client is active, pending, or in another stage, which can impact billing. Then, click on Mailing Country. Make sure the country is correct, as this often affects tax rules, currency, and invoice formatting. Next, click on the field that indicates whether billing equals mailing. This is a simple but important toggle. If the billing address is the same as the mailing address, mark it accordingly to avoid entering duplicate data. If it isn't, you'll complete the dedicated billing fields. Now go through each billing field one by one, using the status column as a visual guide if needed. Click on Billing Street Address and fill in or verify the correct street details. Then click on Billing City and confirm the city is spelled correctly and matches the official address. Click back on Status as needed to keep track of which clients are fully updated. Then move to Billing, State, or Province and enter the appropriate region. After that, click on Billing Zip Code and double-check for typos, since this is critical for postal accuracy. Finally, click on Billing Country and make sure it matches the official billing location, especially if it's different from the mailing country. Use the status field again to quickly see which records are complete. Once these fields are accurate, your Wrike setup will support smoother invoicing, better reporting, and fewer billing errors.